Real science is the way forward, and corrosion control provides a clear and practical guide. Cathodic Protection Network, CPN head office, will bring together specialists with skills, experience and empirical knowledge required to control corrosion, the silent process that is currently causing pipelines to leak, infrastructure to fail and economies to lose billions of pounds each year. Unlike speculative technologies, corrosion science is measurable, repeatable and governed by physical laws that can be observed, tested and corrected. Artificial intelligence is the name now given to a form of software coding built from iterative loops that gather data, validate outcomes and discard false or irrelevant inputs. Over time, the loop refines itself because electrical signals move through these systems at near light speed. The outputs appear autonomous, leading to the perception of intelligence. In reality, it is accelerated pattern recognition driven by physics, mathematics and data integrity. This principle has existed for decades and has been used extensively in video games, cinematic effects and simulation environments. What has changed is not intelligence itself, but processing power and data availability. The results are now sophisticated enough to be marketed as something new. The same principles have already been applied in corrosion engineering, quietly, effectively and without hype. By applying iterative data refinement to GCVG and CISPS survey results, it becomes possible to display coating fault locations accurately on satellite maps and determine with high confidence whether those faults are actively corroding. Achieving this required the invention of the Alexander cell, a device capable of directly measuring corrosion current rather than inferring damage indirectly. This development refined field data to a level where false positives could be eliminated and real corrosion actively isolated. This is not theoretical modelling. It is direct measurement of electrochemical reality. Just as the James Webb Space Telescope has forced physicists to reconsider long-held assumptions about the universe, challenging interpretations derived from incomplete observational tools, the Alexander cell and associated data processing methods challenge long-standing assumptions in corrosion assessment. What was once estimated can now be measured. What was once assumed can now be verified. In both cases, the disruption does not come from speculation, but from better instruments revealing inconvenient truths. Corrosion control, guided by real science rather than legacy assumptions, has the capacity to reshape infrastructure management, reduce catastrophic failures, and redirect billions from reactive repair into preventional control. The implications are as profound for energy and utilities as new astronomical observations are for cosmology. This is not a revolution driven by ideology or marketing language. It is a correction driven by measurement, data and physics. And like all genuine scientific advances, once it is seen clearly, it cannot be unseen.